sir. May I fill your water bottle? Yes, please. I'll be back in a while to take your orders, ma'am, sir. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am, sir. Are you ready to order now? Yes, please. May I take your orders now, ma'am, sir? Yes. Two rice, two for chicken curry, two for adobo, and for the drinks, give me 1 liter of juice. How about some appetizer? Try our new and happy soup to start our new monster. Yes, would you like to go with your salad? Thousand Adam dressing or Caesar dressing? Caesar's dressing.
Go.
May I repeat your order, master? Your orders is 2 rice, 2 for chicken curry, 2 pork adobo, and for the drinks, 1 pitcher of tea, and 2 Caesar dressing. Will that be alright, master? May I repeat your order, master? Your orders is 2 rice, 2 for chicken curry, 2 pork adobo, and for the drink is 1 pitcher of tea and 2 Caesar dressing. Will be the order, master? Did I get your order right, master? Yes. Thank you, master. Are you done with the menu, sir? May I take it? Thank you, sir. I'll be back in a while to serve your orders. Here's your order, master.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, madam, sir.
Go.
Excuse me, ma'am, sir. Are you done with your meal? Do you want me to settle your bill, ma'am, sir?
Yes, please.
I'll be back in a while to bring your bill, ma'am, sir. Excuse me, ma'am, sir. Here is your bill. Ma'am, sir, I received 1,100 and your bill is 1,020. I'll be back in a while to bring your change and receipt.
Okay. Go.
No, it's okay. Quickly change. That's okay.
Thank you, sir.